In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in ERPNext. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly enable new domains and start using their features right away. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up the ERPNext interface. As you settle in, direct your attention to the Awesome bar, a remarkably handy tool located at the top of your interface. By clicking into it, you can swiftly type in domain settings. As you type, you'll notice how it starts to auto-suggest options, making the process even smoother. Once you see domain settings appear, go ahead and select it. This action will take you to the page where you can manage all the available domains in your ERPNext system. Now that you're on the domain settings page, you'll see a list of domains. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice several options like manufacturing, retail, education, and nonprofit, among others. These are the categories of domains that you can enable, each bringing its own set of features and modules tailored to different business needs. To proceed, take a look at the domains available and decide which ones best suit your requirements. Simply check the boxes beside the domains you want to enable. Selecting the right domains is crucial as it customizes the functionalities available to match your organization's operations. Once you have made your selections, it's time to secure those changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. As you click, your settings are stored, and ERPNext works to configure the system to accommodate the new domains you have enabled. At this point, you might receive a prompt asking to reload the application. This is perfectly normal. The reload ensures that all changes are effectively applied and that the new domain-specific modules are integrated seamlessly into your ERPNext interface. Make sure to accept this reload prompt so that you have immediate access to the enhanced functionalities. After the reload completes, take a moment to explore. You should notice newly added modules and features that correspond to the domains you enabled. This new setup can significantly enhance how you manage operations, providing specific tools and resources that better align with the structure of the business or organization you are operating. That's all there is to it. By adding and enabling domains in ERPNext, you're now geared up with powerful new capabilities tailored to your specific industry needs. Be sure to explore each new feature and get familiar with the modules to maximize the potential of ERPNext for your business needs. If you have questions or run into any issues, your ERPNext community and resources are just a click away to assist you. Happy navigating and optimizing your ERPNext experience.